Now here's one of my favorites, how to use a fire extinguisher to stop a bad guy and probably unalive him. First, I've done this. Dry powder fire extinguisher, check this out, rubber band. A little bit easier, means I can hold it in this hand and yank the pin with this hand. Now watch this way. Long range, we're talking 1, 2, 3 meters. At around about this range, it's gonna kill him. This amount of powder at that pressure will go straight into his breathing places, so his nose and his mouth, and he's gonna cough, splutter, he's gonna asphyxiate. Further away, it's gonna be a big cloud. Check this out. It's gonna get really messy. Pull the pin. Boom. There we go. That's close range. Let's look at a longer range. And super close range. That's how to use a fire extinguisher, a dry powder one, to change a bad guy's mind. That's gonna be a lot better than pepper spray, and it's not gonna get you in jail like a firearm will. Thanks for watching. Go to hownottodieguy.com for more. And super long range. Great tool for self-defense.